If you're looking for a place to call home on your next visit to Fiji, then Premier Apartments here in Nadi is in a central location with fully equipped apartments so you can spread out and relax. Take a look. These modern apartments are designed to provide you with a space that feels like home, offering all the amenities you need to enjoy a relaxed lifestyle in this tropical paradise. Each apartment at Premier Apartments features 2 spacious bedrooms, complete with a balcony, where you can unwind and soak in the warm Fijian weather. The fully equipped kitchen is ideal for those who enjoy cooking at home. For added peace of mind, each apartment is also fitted with a safety box. Take advantage of the on-site gymnasium to stay fit. Enjoy a refreshing swim in the pool, or host a barbecue by the poolside, making the most of the beautiful outdoor spaces. The covered, secure car park ensures your vehicle is safe and protected. Whether you're in the mood for a day of shopping, a delightful meal out, or exploring the surrounding areas, everything is within reach. For those looking to immerse themselves in Fijian culture, Village Tours offer a unique insight into local traditions. Take a leisurely walk along the nearby Wailoaloa beach, or hire a jet ski for an adventurous day out visiting the nearby islands. So make yourself at home here at Premier Apartments in Nadi, a comfortable and convenient accommodation option for your next holiday to Fiji.